Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Diane here. I'm so glad you could join me. I'm taking a little break from my decluttering that I've been doing, and I'm going to work on another little golden book. This one's going to be Winnie the Pooh. Actually, I think I'm going to try and do two at a time. We'll see how that goes. Historically, my track record is not good for doing multiple books at once, but we'll see. So I've got these two little golden books. This one's a vintage one. It says 1976 on this one. And then this one's a little newer. The Grand and Wonderful Day. It has Roman numerals. I'm not sure what year that is, but it's newer than that one. It's not as yellowed, but it's still adorable. So I'm going to use these two to make two journals, and I'm going to use a kit from the paper bee called Winnie the Pooh. Self-explanatory. It's a Winnie the Pooh kit. Imagine that. Yeah, doing all this decluttering has reminded me of all the cool projects I wanted to make. You know, I was kind of in my January doldrums of, ugh, what do I want to do? And, you know, that general malaise that sometimes comes over you. So when I was picking through everything and sorting, I was like, oh, Winnie the Pooh. I really wanted to do a journal about that. So I printed out this kit twice since I'm doing two journals. Let me just give you a quick flip through of it. It is really adorable. Like, look at these pages. These are awesome. I haven't trimmed them down yet because I'm going to need to trim some of the border print as well. So I figure I'll just do that all at once. And there's some cool quotes, some cute pictures, and like some florals in the corner. That's really pretty. So there's 10 double-sided pages. The 9 and 10 are either blank or lined. You could print this on the back of each of those and have even more pages. So that would give you a lot of writing space. And then I love these tall bookmark things. These are really cute. They're great for making belly bands, bookmarks, you know, really tall tags. They're just adorable. And then there's a printing paper for the back. Look at the little bees. So cute. Bees and butterflies and flowers. And then we have some journal cards, and there's a yellow bee paper and some tags. Look at this. I just love that one. Piglet. So cute. And then there's pink bee paper. And there's this big image here. I like that. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, but I really love that Pooh image. And then on the back of this I had printed there's a repeating pattern of Pooh and his honey pot. Also cute. So those make great backing papers, or, you know, you could print those out as pages by themselves. I've got this cute envelope, and then that's got the Pooh and Pooh Bear. That's Piglet and Tigger on balloons floating. And look at this. Cute fussy cuts, all kinds of words. And then there's this Piglet and balloon paper. Journal card in a pocket. And then there's this all over paper with Owl, Piglet, Kanga, Rabbit, and Tigger and Eeyore. So all the characters but Pooh, just kind of random on there. Then these cute pockets using the background pages, which I love. Oh, that one's upside down, isn't it? Some little fold over envelopes. And then this triple pocket here with the bee papers. Which, of course, you could make this triple pocket by just cutting that shape out of the other ones. And then these two little pockets go on the page to make a double, like, joop, joop. And you put these little tags in there. And then 3 more pockets with the backgrounds. Now, if your book isn't this wide, I've taken these pockets before and cut them down so I have a little tab to fold under, and just made them the size that I needed them to be. You know, if you do it on both sides, even though there's lines, you could make it like that, and then it just looks like there's lines on the top. So, very flexible kit to use. There are lots and lots of pieces in here. So, what are we going to do with all these pieces? Well, we're going to combine them. Since I printed it out twice, I have a set that I already cut out. So, like, look at all this beautiful goodness here. So, I'm thinking, what if I use the double pocket on a guest check? I'm going to use that on a page. Pockets on a page, pockets on a page. Very easy. Now you could take some of the fussy cuts and paste that on here, or I have some books that I've cut up. Now, the books I cut up were not in good condition. The covers were falling apart, and I basically saved the illustrations out of them. So please don't hate me for cutting up the book. It was necessary to save it. So I've got some images, and then I cut out some of the words too. That was cute. There was a couple different size books, so there's some really large ones, and then there's smaller ones. So I have all kinds of things to use. So let's do the guest check first, since I know I want to do that. Let me get a guest check out of my stash here. Probably should have had that ready for you. But I literally just thought of it. So let's see if that's wide enough. I think so. I think we should be good. Cute pink one. I'm going to take the bottom off. We may stick that in the pocket because that's cute. So how's everyone doing today? I hope you're having some crafty fun while you're watching me, listening me talk about all the printables. I have been having fun with the decluttering. I mean, it is a lot of work. Don't get me wrong, it's an undertaking, but I've been doing it like an hour at a time, so it's not too bad. And like I said, I'm finding lots of cool things that I forgot I had, and it's reminding me of projects that I want to do, so that's kind of cool. And I've been able to share some of my excess with some other people, so that makes them happy, which in turn makes me happy. It is nice to surprise people. Hey, here's a box full of craft supplies. Have fun. It's a great feeling, actually. Okay, so I'm just using my scoreboard and kind of lining this up to get better fold lines. I am not good at folding a straight line. I don't know about y'all, but the scoreboard helps me a lot. Just makes it so much easier. All right, let's give these a little burnish. A little burnish. I've also been taking this time to think about what I want to do with my channel. Like, I know I want to grow it, but how do I make that happen? So I'm considering, should I try to post more videos? I think I need to post videos more consistently is basically what I'm getting at. I don't know how I'm going to motivate for that, but we'll see. Get some glue. These pockets are cute. They are just the right size to go on a guest check. That's awesome. I did not measure that out beforehand. I love it. And this little pink guest check reminds me of Piglet, so that's cute. Love it. So what are you all working on? Do you have a project going? Are you still deep in the January cleanup that I'm trying to avoid right now? We'll get back to it. You know, we're just going to do a little paper crafting for an hour or so. Yeah, I'm really hoping to motivate myself to do a little more crafting, a little more filming, because a lot of times I come in here and I craft, but I don't turn the camera on. Like, I'm very interested in what you guys think. Do you like listening to me talk while I craft, or do you just turn the sound off? I know I like listening to other crafters, even just talk about their lives, even though my life is so boring, so boring. I mean, come on guys, I do accounting. There's nothing exciting going on in this life over here. Yeah, that's not true. But you know how it is. You never think your own life is exciting, right? Oh, we need a hole punch. Let's get our hole punch. Let's try this. That hole is bigger than the hole punch. You know what? We will pull out the reinforcers, and hopefully that will help cover that up a bit. I had this package of them. I just rubbed them with the Distress ink. You know, just ran a dauber over them and colored them. They look cute. While I had the inks out, I did a couple different colors. There we go. That covers that up. Alright, we got 2 tags in there. We could fit way more stuff in there. We got our little piece from the guest check. Stick that in there. What if we find some other tags to put in there? You know, you could just layer this up. And then that would look so cute on a page. Or you could do it as a tip-in, put a little hinge here, and then you can write on the back as well. Even though the back is upside down, there's still lines. That's cute. I may have to do that with the scraps. So like when I printed on the back of the tags and the journal cards, the strips on the side, the long strips, still had some cute printing, so I saved them. I mean, they're blank on the back. I thought maybe I could print, you know, stamp some labels on there, or stamp some words and then cut them out, put it on here, you know, that kind of thing. Because, like, this pocket is adorable, like it is, but let's see if we could find something to stick on there just to reinforce the Winnie the Pooh theme. He is a little too big. All right. See if we can find something a little smaller. Nope. How about a little piglet? Piglet's usually smaller than Pooh. Oh, he's so cute. If he was facing the other way, that would totally work. How about Piglet? Oh, Piglet's adorable. Adorable. What's he reaching for? A picture of Pooh? My friend Pooh Bear. He's adjusting the picture. How about that? So cute. I'm going with it. If I find my words later, I'll put something here. Oh my gosh. This kit is going to be so much fun. I've always liked Winnie the Pooh. When my boys were younger, we had the VHS tapes that they would watch of Winnie the Pooh. So they kind of grew up on it. And I'm sure I had some books as a kid that were Winnie the Pooh. I always loved to read when I was a kid. I still do. I don't find as much time anymore, but I really do want to make more time for that. There we go. Got Piglet adjusting the picture. So cute. Look at that. That only took us a couple of minutes. I mean, granted, I had the pieces cut out, but that is adorable. Here, let's pop our holes in this too. And I mean, in what? 10 minutes we made this adorable double pocket stuffed with cool tags. I mean, that's pretty awesome. And I'll probably use the same trick. I may just rub my ink on that. I don't have my ink out right now. Look at that, so cute. So I hope you'll join me for making this journal, well, these two journals. Next I'm going to take the books apart so that I can start cutting down the pages. I'm going to pick out some pages for the books. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing the pages I choose. And then we'll be back to make more ephemera and play with some cool cutouts and the Winnie the Pooh kit from the Paper Bee. So thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber, I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and the like button. It helps me to reach a wider audience and more people with the more likes and subscribes that I get. And I appreciate that. So I hope you have a crafty day and make something fun. See you in the next one. Bye.